Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 5i and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And right now all we have to do is to simply find the settings. So let's tap on this 3-dots icon if you cannot find the settings icon here, and as you can see they appear right here. So let me tap on it and hold it and drag it here to have much faster access to it, and let's tap. Now let's tap on languages, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've got the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So this list is so wide, I'm sure that you will find something for you. So let me pick, let's say, a graphical language in order to show you the actual difference. So let me pick Arabic, and as you can see in this case I can also choose the region. So let me pick the very first one, and here we've got two different keyboard types, so just pick the one you would like to use and tap on done. And as you can see, the Arabic has been immediately applied to this list, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And I hope that you can see that because of this bright theme, but we've got actually two differences. So first of all, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which is simply a language key which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. You can check it here. So let me tap on it again English, and here we've got again the Arabic one. So actually this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not need two different languages added, you just need to change the language. So let's enter the settings again, go to the languages, and here all you have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language you would like to remove. I will pick Arabic again. So after marking it, just tap on this trash bin icon in the right upper corner. We are left with the English, so after getting back we can check that first of all the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the language key, the globe icon, so which means that we can only type in English. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Realme 5i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.